Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. Today I am going to show you how to configure root failover load balancing on TP-Link omada router. For example, a customer has a TP-Link omada er605 VPN router and there are two WAN ports connected to the internet. He wants to use WAN 1 as a primary link and WAN 2 as a secondary backup link. Therefore, he would like to mainly use WAN 1 and only switch to WAN 2 automatically when WAN 1 is detected as offline. In this case, failover load balancing mode will help him to fulfill his needs. Step 1. How to configure failover load balancing. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Next, log in the router using username and password. Step 2. Assign a primary and secondary WAN interface. Navigate to Network and click on WAN, then specify the number of WAN ports. Here, I am choose Physical Interface 1 and 2 as WAN interface. The router will reboot after switching the WAN mode. Step 3. Configure IP address on WAN 1 and WAN 2 interfaces. To configure IP on WAN 1, navigate to Network and click on WAN. Next, select connection type as static IP. Then, enter WAN IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway of your WAN 1 internet. Next, enter primary and secondary DNS servers addresses. Click on Save to apply the changes. Next, click on Secondary WAN, then select connection type as static IP address. Then, enter WAN IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway of your WAN to internet. Next, enter primary and secondary DNS servers addresses. Click on Save to apply the changes. Go to Status and click on System Status. You can see that our both links are working fine. Step 4. Configure root failover load balancing. Navigate to Transmission and click on Load Balancing. Check the box to enable load balancing. Next, check the box to enable application optimized routing, then click Save to apply the changes. Next, click on Link Backup. To add link backup rule, click on Add button. Next, select a primary WAN interface and backup WAN interface. Then, select Mode as Failover, enable backup link when any primary WAN fails. Next, click on OK. After creating the backup rule, go to Online Detection. Click to Operation on WAN 1, then select Mode as Manual. In the ping field, enter Google DNS server address. Then click OK. Click to Operation on WAN 2, then select Mode as Manual. In the ping field, enter Google DNS server address. Then click OK. After complete the configuration, we are now test the failover functionality by disconnecting the primary link and ensuring that traffic is rerouted to the backup link. I am now removing the primary link cable. After removing the primary link, secondary backup link will switch automatically to functioning. Next, you can check the public IP of secondary backup link.